Laure. Panique again! And that's 3 in a row for Ara Panique.
What a substitution for Las Pilipinas. Ara Panique contributing crucial points for the Philippines. She's unbothered by the height of Kazakhstan.
She comes in at a 6. The answer.
Point number 4 for Ara Panique. It all started with a strong serving of Gia de Guzman. Now they're tallying points from defense as well. Look at that block reach from Panique, and that will force Kazakhstan.
Good pick up by Don Macandili. Panique again! Ara Panique! She will likely never forget. It's a newly crowned UAAP returning champion. She doesn't even start for National University, and look at her go against the vets.
That replay.
The playing time, really, and the preliminaries. This is probably the reason why she is unscouted. And now, Angel Canino contributing to this run. And look at the Philippines. Only a point behind Kazakhstan. I mean, this is hard to believe. For those of you who are just joining us right now, it was an 11-point advantage. Here we go. Set point for Kazakhstan. De Guzman pushing it out to Canino. And ball still alive. It is not. Angel Canino keeps Las Pilipinas alive.
Las Pilipinas is now in position to force a deuce against Kazakhstan, but Kazakhstan will be on the attacking end in this next sequence. So Las Pilipinas needs to tighten up their blocking if they do want to get a chance to attack